All right, so if we do we got four, well, let's see, what do I got on this thing here? I got 470 miles so far on it. Kind of like a budget dual sport. So this was like 1,600 bucks, free shipping. I spent 900 on the motor kit, stage 4, and the crash bars were 150. And I got the tusk bags. These are the excursion ones. The fuel bladder. Let's see, the tank bag also, and this windshield mount. And I'm still under the price of like the little Honda XR150L. I think at the dealer, I think they wanted $4 grand for that one. So I got all this stuff, and I'd say I'm probably around, I don't know, maybe 32 to 35, and that's even buying some camera gear, the GoPro and stuff. So so far it's working out good. I'm pretty happy with it, and that includes my tent stuff. So I got a budget tent, sleeping pad, sleeping bag, a little cooker, the 1 gallon bladder here. It works pretty good. I'm happy with it. I kind of wish the spout was a little different, maybe if that was up here on the end, but I don't know. But to carry a gallon of gas with you, it seems to get about, I don't know, 50 to 60 miles. I did do the 1740 sprocket. It seems to cruise pretty good, about 60, and it's not really screaming like it was to do 50 on the last trip I did. And of course I got the Garmin Zumo XT2. I still haven't got my other mirrors on. The wind out here is so bad that a gust of wind hits it going down the road and flips it on. And I picked this little gadget up at Menards today. It was on clearance for $9, so we're gonna see how that works to charge the GoPro batteries and the drone. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fly the drone any today because it's like 20-mile-an-hour wind, and I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a hawk up there. It's either a hawk or an eagle. He's too far away, I can't tell. He's pretty good size. But I added this. It seems to help with the wind, but when you got such a strong side wind, it's kind of hard to tell. Probably when I'm riding trails, it's got a quick release. I can flip it around, so the tall part will be down here, and then hopefully when I'm videoing for you guys, I'll get a better clear view there, you know, over the top. But I did a couple pavement clips. I'll put them in there too. And like I said, when I'm doing off-road stuff, I think I'll flip this so you guys got a better point of view on that. And other than that, it's still got the stock tires on it. I figure those probably won't last too long. There's 500 miles on them. They still look pretty decent. These lights here, I wired these up when the key's on. This halo lights up around there, so it's kind of nice to have a little bit more light, because you know people don't pay attention when you're on a bike. So hopefully the bright green, though, it's kind of hard to miss. This is the MSR Voyager jacket, the cheaper one. They have an Explorer one too. It fits good. I like it. I ordered the pants too, but the pants were way too long, and it comes with built-in pads or shoulder pads, and then there's some pads here on the forearm. But on the pants, the knee pads were like at my shins, because I'm only 5'6", so that was kind of the reason to get this bike. I had a friend of mine, he was going to sell me his KLR, and he even had a lowering kit on it, and I'm just so short. That bike was like huge, so I figured just put a little money into this and have a nice little budget bike. I mean, so far it's doing really good. I'm happy with it. Like I said, I've got all the accessories and everything for right around 3,200 bucks. and that includes the camping stuff. So you can't really beat that.